All right, time for a factoring problem, number 3. We've got a difficult one in the fact that our a value is not 1, right? There's 6x squares instead of 1. So what we're going to do is we are going to first see if we can pull out a GCF. All right, can we make our problem easier? Can we pull out a 6 from everything? No. Can we divide out a 2? No. 3? No. 17 is a prime number, so unless all of these other 2 are divisible by 17, we're not going to be able to pull out a GCF. So I'm going to go right into our 2 factors. I'm thinking what times what makes 6x squared? Well, I know it's x and x. And then, I don't know, let's think of certain ways we can make 6. Alright, so we could have 3 and 2, we could have 6 and 1. I think that's it. I'm going to try 3 and 2 first. Alright, I'm going to pick the ones that are closest together. In my experience, those tend to be the ones that are the answers. And then I'm going to see what 2 numbers multiply to make 17. Alright, when I multiply everything together here, I should get 6x squared minus 17x minus 14. So, what ways can we make 14? Well, there's 7 and 2, 2 and 7, 14 and 1, 1 and 14. I believe that's it. So let's try the 7 and the 2 first. Alright, how we know which combination is going to work is that our outside 2 terms multiplied and our inside 2 terms multiplied. That, let's just say that's 6x, and that's 14x's. That the difference of those, that if I subtract those, the outside 2 terms and the inside 2 terms multiplied together, if I subtract them, does that get me 17, or negative 17 for that matter? 14 minus 6? No, does not, right? That's 8. Does not get me 17. So let's try a different one. Let's not do 2 and 7. Let's try, or not 7 and 2, let's try 2 and 7. Maybe that'll work. Alright, the outside, that's 21x. The inside, that's 4x. That looks promising. 21 minus 4 is 17, which is what we were looking for. Alright, so now we just got to work with the signs here. 2 times 7 has to be a negative 14. I know that one's positive and one is negative. Looking up here, I want these two combined to make negative 17, meaning that the bigger one should be negative. So I want my 21, so the 3 and the 7. I want this to be the negative, and this one to be the positive. Alright, here are your 2 factors. Whoa. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, there you have it, factoring. Bye!